So this is my baby. This is her. This is she. Is she not cute? Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
I heard they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I turn. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be filming my TELFAR X UGGs unboxing video. Super excited. But before we get into the video, before we get into the unboxing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, okay? Because I'm on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. So now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. UGGs, well, TELFAR has collaborated with UGG and super excited I got my hands on one of their bags. So excited. And it's UGGvember for TELFAR. It's UGGvember. So they're still doing a couple more UGG drops, and there is one more drop that I do want to get my hands on, and it's on November 15th on Monday. There is another bag I want to get my hands on, so if I do get my hands on that bag as well, I will make a separate unboxing video for that bag too. But for right now, we're gonna focus on the one I do have. So the bag came in this big old box, right? Bag came in that big old box. There's nothing really spectacular about the about that box. Now, in the box is the spectacular part. What was in the box was the spectacular part. So this is how it came. So it is just in its the plastic just says UGG X TELFAR on it. Super excited. And then it's wrapped up in like the white like tissue paper. So I'm just gonna take that out, unwrap it. She's so pretty. I feel like I need to wash my hands before I touch this bag. So freaking pretty. Oh my god. Y'all. Ooh, she's soft. Ooh. Y'all. So this is my baby. This is her. This is she. Is she not cute? Oh my god. So she's in like this heather gray. I forgot what this bag. Where's my phone? It's right here. I forgot what the name of this one was exactly. Ooh, child. Okay, so I got the UGG X TELFAR medium fleece shopper in the color heather gray. Y'all, she is so pretty. So this is technically the third TELFAR bag that I have bought, but the second bag that I bought is not here yet because I bought it off of Bag Security. I actually caught the drop of this bag, and I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the video what I did so I can catch the drop of the bag, because TELFAR bags be selling out way too quickly. So I'm gonna give you the tea. I'm gonna give you the hot piping tea on how to get a bag without Bag Security, because I figured it out. The tag at the top right here, so pretty. The tag at the top right here just says UGG X TELFAR, and then like the barcode is right here. Super pretty. These are the straps right here. They're just bonded together. I'm just gonna like unbind them. Maybe I won't because I don't have scissors. Ooh, so these are the straps, so you could wear it crossbody if you would like. So pretty, so soft. I love this heather gray. I keep putting my face like away from the bag because I don't want to get any makeup transfer on the bag by accident, because wow. Okay, so this bag just feels so good. So it's not a leather bag, it's actually like canvas. It's kind of like, I would say if you own a Nike Tech sweater or like a Nike Tech, if you own a Nike Tech sweater or like a tracksuit, it kind of feels like that type of material. Super soft, so nice. Logo right here is embossed, so it is like a 3D logo. Super pretty. On the back right here, it does say UGG. It says UGG X TELFAR right there, kind of like all the UGG boots say on the back of their boots. They do also sell UGG X TELFAR boots, which will be on the bag release drop, or like the UGG release drop. November 15th. Like, they're dropping everything. I don't know if they're dropping this bag and the other UGG shopper bag that they dropped already. I don't know if they're gonna restock on those, but like everything else that they didn't drop is dropping at that time. Everything else that they didn't drop is dropping on November 15th. So, you know, get your coins together, sis. And misters, Mrs. and misters, get your coins together, okay? Oh! So on the inside of the bag, oh, the duster bag, so pretty. I'm gonna need this duster. Okay, I'm gonna need a duster bag. I'm gonna need this duster bag because. So this is it for my medium Telfar bag. Because if I'm not using this bag, I do need to put in the duster. Because since it is like a fleece bag, it will get dirty. Sorry, I just want to fold this up correctly. Super pretty, and then just some more like shopping paper that's holding the bag shape. I hope this bag holds its shape like on its own. Like, I'm not gonna overstuff it or anything like that because this is a pretty big bag. This is probably one of the biggest bags that I have. On the inside, it's like really just big like this. One really big pocket, and then there is a small zipper pocket, which is kind of deep actually. And then it also has this UGG, I really don't know what this is. Authenticity card? Is it an authenticity card? Probably. I'm just gonna leave it back in the bag. The inside pocket of the bag is rather deep as well. Let me show you. Rather deep. I can put my whole hands like up to my, like my whole fist past my wrist is like up to here, can fit into the bag. So super excited about that. So what, oh, okay, the pocket of the bag is actually in the front and not in the bag like I initially thought. So it's in the front of the bag. So what I'm gonna do right now is kind of transfer over all the things that were in my regular work bag into this bag because this is gonna become my work bag. I'm so excited about it. Like, I absolutely love it. I just finished a What's in My Bag work edition. So all of the stuff that was in my work bag is now on my bed, and I'm going to transfer it into here so we can see what holds in my Telfar bag.
Yeah. Let's rock.
Then I would normally carry my water bottle. This I got off of Amazon. I also got the notebook off of Amazon. If you guys are interested in either one of those items, they will be down in my description box below, so check that out. The whole water bottle fits in there really, really good. Okay, and like the last thing I want to see if it fits into my Telfar bag is my MacBook Air. This is like the newest MacBook Air that just came out. I know for a fact that it fits in there because I have so much space, but I just want to show you guys for reference. This is it. I don't know how many inches this is. 13.3 inch MacBook. This is it. Clearly it's gonna fit in this bag. So I'm just gonna, oops, sorry. Some of the way I like actually put my stuff in the bag is kind of off. It's in here and it fits. It's a little heavy, but it fits. This Telfar bag fits everything that I could possibly want to carry for work, including my laptop, and I never carry a laptop for work because I have a computer at my desk. But it fits everything. And oh, that laptop kind of heavy. Made my bag a little heavy. But it fits everything, and it's keeping its like shape relatively nicely. It's not like, it's only puckered a little bit over here, and I think it's because I have some things just like not right. They just like tossed in there, but I love it and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to wear this to work. I really cannot wait. So super excited about this bag. So let me tell you guys how I ended up getting this bag when it actually dropped, with no bag security, nothing like that. So first of all, the number one thing you need to do to get a Telfar bag, sign up for their email listing, because if you don't know when the bags drop, By the time you found out that the bags dropped already, it's too late. It is already too late for you. When they say their bags sell out in minutes, they really mean their bags sell out in minutes. The second thing you want to do is to find out what bag it is that you want and use Klarna to pay for your bag. That's what I did. I used Klarna. Klarna is like a pay in 4 service, or you can pay every 6 months or whatever like that. What I did was on Telfar, you can create a one-time card. Create a one-time card, it's a one-time credit card. Klarna remembers all of that information for that Telfar bag. So you would go on Klarna, type in Telfar, pick out the bag that you want and add it to your cart, right? When it's time to check out, all you have to do is like go back through Klarna, to the Telfar bag you had, go to your cart and press check out. Your address information is already gonna pop up. Your credit card information is already gonna pop up. All you have to do is like make sure it's all correct. Hit submit and then you're done. That's what I did the last time. I think I got the one-time card about 15 minutes before the bag was to drop. I think the bag dropped at 9 o'clock. So like on 8:45, I went on Klarna. I decided I wanted this medium gray bag. I put the medium gray bag into my Klarna cart. I don't know if that helps you like save a bag in your cart, but the bag was already in my cart. 9 o'clock when the bag's released, I went into Klarna, I went to my cart on Klarna, my bag was already there. I hit submit. They were like, this is the address you want to use. Yes. Then it was like payment method. Do you want to use your Klarna card? Yes. It was the one-time card I've already created. Yes. They're like, make sure your information is correct. Clicked it and it was like, okay, you know, submitting. And that's why I got a little worried, because that's usually when people are like, oh crap, the bag is gone. I got like, okay, your order has been confirmed. I was like, yes. So by like 9:01, I already had my bag. I already had my confirmation email. I was super excited, and I don't have to wait months on end to order this bag. I think this bag dropped on Wednesday the 10th. I got the bag today is Saturday the 13th. I really could have got the bag yesterday, but I wasn't home, so FedEx had to re-deliver it. So it really only took them about 2 days to get this bag to me, which I was really shocked about because I thought they took forever in 3 days. I'm still waiting for my bag security bag, and I don't plan on getting that until March or April or May. My gray Telfar is here and I'm super excited. So it really only takes Telfar about 2 days for you to get your bag. 2-3 days for you to get your bag if you catch the bags when they drop. That is my hot tip for you guys if you want to catch a Telfar bag during an actual drop and not bag security. Create your Klarna card beforehand. You can create your card up to 24 hours before you make your purchase. Anything more than 24 hours and you did not make that purchase, the card will expire and that money will go back, or like whatever. You can't use that card. But yes, honey, yes. I cannot wait to wear this to work on Monday. It's so easy. It's so easy. I'm breezy out. So I'm super excited. Super excited. It's so soft. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up to let YouTube know that you enjoyed the video, and to let me know that you enjoyed this video as well. If you already have a Telfar bag, let me know what kind of bag you have, which size and what color. Let me know down below in the comments. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a